Hi, do you feel like your career has hit a plateau, stuck in the repetitive cycle of low paying, mundane tax filing and compliance jobs? If so, let's talk about some exciting opportunities that could jumpstart your career and take your earnings to the next level. One of the biggest reasons for professional stagnation, where your earnings flatline, is when you operate in a low demand, high supply market or even a high demand, high supply market. When everyone is offering the same services as you, it becomes nearly impossible to raise your prices or break free from the competition. But what if we could change the equation? What if you enter a niche market, one with high demand but very few professionals offering specialized services? When you are one of the few offering expertise in a critical area, your value increases and so does your earning potential. Let's explore some of these highly priced, in demand services that could significantly increase your income. Tax litigation is one such niche. There is a huge demand for tax litigation experts in India, and the market is growing fast. Consider this: the total number of pending income tax litigation cases rose from 4.96 lakh in March 22 to 5.16 lakh in March 23. 80,000 cases were pending before the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal (CESTAT) in 2023, with 20,000 new cases filed each year as reported by Business Standard. An estimated 4.7% of India's GDP is locked in litigation. With the Indian economy formalizing, more businesses are falling under the tax net, which means more tax disputes. The demand for tax litigation experts is rising, but there's a shortage of professionals with this expertise, especially for small and medium enterprises, that is, your SMEs, that cannot afford the big four. As a CA, CS, or CMA, you can specialize in tax litigation and help these businesses navigate through complex tax disputes. While large corporations hire big four consultancies, over 90% of Indian businesses, small and medium enterprises, cannot afford these high cost services. This opens a massive market for you. You may also worry about competing with lawyers in tribunals, but most lawyers avoid tax litigation due to its complexity with numbers. This is a high demand, low supply segment perfect for CAs, CS, and CMAs. Another niche is NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal Litigation, which deals with civil corporate disputes. With 16 NCLTs across India and a large number of pending cases, you can represent clients under Section 432 of the Companies Act 2013. The NCLT and other tribunals are also a lucrative space for representation work. Given the shortage of professionals and the increasing volume of cases, this is another avenue where you can charge premium fees and stand out. If you are concerned about AI replacing jobs, fields like international tax, transfer pricing, and tax litigation are your safety net. Every tax matter is unique and complex. AI simply cannot replace the critical thinking and case building required to argue a case in court or navigate global tax regulations. India has over 1,12,718 DPIIT recognized startups across 763 districts, and 42% of these startups are looking to expand internationally. This means they need expert help with international tax and transfer pricing. These startups cannot hire foreign tax experts directly. They need someone who understands their operations in India, while also managing international compliance. This is where you can step in as the key advisor for their foreign expansion. Not only are Indian startups looking for international tax guidance, but foreign investors and companies starting business in India also need specialized tax professionals. Investors need regular tax insights, and foreign companies need experts who understand both Indian and international tax systems. This niche market offers highly priced services and the opportunity to work with growing companies on an international scale. By specializing in international tax and transfer pricing, you can provide services like international tax planning, transfer pricing documentation, tax efficient cross border expansions, foreign direct investment, FDI compliance. These areas are complex, but with the right training, you can charge a premium for these services and significantly earn your earnings. Many professionals have already tapped into these niches and are thriving. They are working with international clients, earning thousands of dollars, and transforming their careers. Here are some examples of professionals who are successfully offering international tax, transfer pricing, and tax litigation services. Do you want a step by step roadmap on how to break into tax litigation, international tax, and transfer pricing? Do you want to know how to find your first clients for these services, pitch to clients effectively, learn US corporate tax and compliance work? To help you get started, we are hosting a free 3-day live only bootcamp discussing in detail on how to jumpstart your career in tax litigation, international tax, and transfer pricing. We'll provide you with a clear roadmap, actionable tips, and strategies to help you elevate your career and earnings. Remember, no recordings will be available, so make sure to mark your calendar and attend live. This is your chance to escape the cycle of low paying jobs and tap into lucrative, high demand markets. By specializing in tax litigation, international tax, or transfer pricing, you can transform your career and increase your income significantly. Don't miss this opportunity. Join our bootcamp and take the first step toward a more successful and rewarding career. See you at the bootcamp.